Do you like to voice your opinions? Part 3 of the IELTS test is a discussion between you and the examiner. The examiner will ask you some questions and you'll have the opportunity to give your opinions about various issues. In this part of the test, it's very important that you try to extend your answers. A simple yes or no is not enough. Let's talk about how you can extend your answers in the discussion. There are some useful strategies that you can use. First, one useful way to extend your answer and give yourself a little more time to think is to comment on the question. For example, you can start off by saying, "That's an interesting question." Next, when you answer a question, try to extend your response by providing reasons and examples. Finally, you can extend your answer by giving an opinion, which is based on your own knowledge and experience. Let's see some examples from a discussion to see these strategies in action.
Why do you think that we celebrate special occasions?
Well, that's an interesting question. I think we really want to remember these special times in our lives. So, I think we should celebrate special occasions because they give us happy memories.
Do people have to wear special clothing at these celebrations?
Yes, for example, for weddings, the bride normally wears a white dress with a red ribbon around her waist, and the groom normally wears a tuxedo.
Where do people generally go shopping in your country? In markets, small shops, or large shopping centres or malls?
Well, it's difficult to say because I come from a very big country and shopping habits vary from place to place. But in my city, there are both traditional markets and large modern shopping centres. I think that shopping centres are becoming more and more popular nowadays.
In extract 1, notice how the candidate commented on the question. In extract 2, did you notice that the candidate gave a reason for his opinion? In extract 3, did you hear how he expanded his answer by providing examples? And finally, in extract 4, notice how this candidate used her own knowledge and experience to answer the question and extend her response. Now let's look at some useful words and phrases that you can use when you extend your answers. If you want to comment on the question and give yourself a little more time to respond, you can say something like this: "That's an interesting question," or "That's a difficult question. Let me see." If you want to give a reason, you can use words such as because, or phrases such as "That's why," or "You see." To give an example, you might say "such as," or "for instance," or to give you an idea. To introduce your own knowledge and experience when answering the question, you could say something like this: "In my experience," or "from my point of view." So that's a look at how you can extend your answers in part 3 of the IELTS speaking test. You can say more than just yes or no by following these strategies. If you do this effectively, you should feel confident about sharing your opinions and giving full responses in the discussion.